from past few days I was not uploading any videos. So right now I will, due to some family uh, ex- family problems. So again I'll continue from today onwards. So recently there is one question asked in interview, like what is 2FA. So that I will share, like what actually is 2FA and how, what generally where it is used in real time project. So 2FA is nothing but it's a two-factor authentication. A two-factor authentication, like it's a security process that required two different form of identification to verify your identity before granting access to the account or system. This So generally it is like a two-factor authentication. Generally it is a security process, or generally it like, let's say if you are login into a one application. So before login into that application you have to put the password, right? And after that password you will receive some notification or some uh, OTP and any notification on your mobile or on your system. So that's the called a two-factor authentication. So one factor will be like your password, and second factor like your code, like OTP, which will be sent on your mobile number, or authentic, or any like, let's say OTP or any number, random number you have to enter into the field. So that's called a second factor. So first factor will be generally, usually, that is a password, and second factor is like your OTP. Or generally, for example, when you are logging into the your bank account, right? You might, this is, I give just a general example. When you log in into your bank account, you might enter a password, something, that which is already, this is the one factor, and then receive a code on your phone, something you have. So that's you need to enter to complete the login process. So that is called two-factor authentication. So if somebody will ask you in interview like what is 2FA, so you can say it's a two-factor authentication. And you can give the simple example for your applications, and for any other, like if in your project any login process is like that, so you can give the example. So that's for today. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and we'll share more interview question like that. Thank you.